A reader shared that they work in an organizational context where they're in the process of shifting from a feature factory to a more continuous discovery model, which is great. Uh, but they're currently the only ones who are doing the discovery, and they really want help with how to engage the rest of their product trio. This is a great question because I see a lot of people in this situation. They've read the book, they've seen me talk, they're excited about discovery, but they don't know how to bring their peers on board. I think one thing I'm going to tell you to avoid is nobody likes it when a coworker comes in and says, hey, we're doing everything wrong. I have this new way of working. We've got to change everything. In fact, as a general rule, don't make anything a big, giant change project. That's really setting yourself up to fail. Instead, what I would do is I would take teeny tiny steps. So with a product trio, the goal with a product trio is joint collaborative decision making. Ideally, you're doing your discovery together, you're engaging with customers together, and you're making decisions about what to build together. So what are some small steps that you could take? You could conduct an interview and share the video with your coworkers, and then schedule a discussion to talk about what they heard and what they learned, right? It's just one time you're doing a little bit of discovery together. Then the next time you need to make a decision that's related to those interviews, you might get everybody in a room and be like, hey, I'm trying to make this decision based on what we heard in that interview that I shared with you, or in the handful of interviews that I shared with you. What are your thoughts? How would you make this decision? Right? And so you can think about it as like, how do you gradually bring people into more discovery activities over time? And how do you bring them into more decision making over time, rather than disrupting the way that everybody works overnight? Give that a try. And let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear your experience either on your current team, on previous teams that you've worked on. If you've introduced discovery to your peers, share your experience in the comments below.